Olive oil has been called liquid gold for centuries, but did you know it's also one of the best natural remedies for hair growth? In this video, I'll show you the amazing benefits of olive oil for your hair, how to use it properly, and the results you can expect when making it part of your routine. Stay tuned until the end for a step-by-step method that really works. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which is essential for repairing damaged hair follicles. It contains antioxidants that fight free radicals, keeping your scalp healthy and balanced. The oleic acid and fatty acids in olive oil deeply penetrate the hair shaft, locking in moisture. A hydrated scalp equals reduced dandruff, less breakage, and better growth conditions. 1. Prevents hair breakage. Olive oil reduces friction and coats hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. Stronger hair equals longer hair over time. It reduces split ends by sealing the hair cuticle. Acts as a natural detangler, especially for curly or coily hair types. Maintains hair elasticity, preventing snapping when styling. 2. Nourishes the scalp. Its vitamins and minerals nourish the scalp, improving blood circulation. A healthy scalp is the foundation for consistent hair growth. Vitamin E repairs scalp tissue and reduces inflammation. Fatty acids keep the scalp hydrated, reducing dryness. Boosts oxygen supply to hair follicles, helping them grow stronger. 3. Fights dandruff and dryness. Olive oil has antifungal properties that reduce dandruff. It also moisturizes the scalp, preventing flakiness and itching. Soothes scalp irritation caused by dryness or product buildup. Helps balance the scalp's natural oil production. Provides a protective barrier against environmental dryness. 4. Strengthens hair follicles. Massaging olive oil into the scalp strengthens the roots. Stronger follicles mean thicker, healthier hair growth. Reduces follicle miniaturization, a common cause of thinning hair. Protects follicles from oxidative stress and damage. Promotes healthier hair cycles, leading to longer growth phases. 5. Adds shine and softness. Olive oil smooths the cuticle layer of hair, giving it a shiny and silky finish. Your hair looks healthier while it grows stronger. Helps tame frizz and flyaways naturally. Locks in moisture for long-lasting softness. Restores luster to dull and damaged strands. Method 1. Scalp massage. Warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Massage gently into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave on for at least 1 hour, then wash with a mild shampoo. Method 2. Overnight treatment. Apply olive oil generously from scalp to ends. Cover with a shower cap and leave overnight. Wash out in the morning for deeply nourished hair. Method 3. Mix with other oils. Combine olive oil with castor oil or coconut oil for an extra growth-boosting treatment. Apply 2 to 3 times per week for best results. With regular use, you'll notice softer, shinier hair after the first few treatments. Reduced dandruff and scalp dryness within weeks. Stronger, thicker hair with less breakage after consistent use over a few months. Olive oil is not an instant solution, but with patience, the results can be long-lasting. So, does olive oil really work for hair growth? Absolutely. It strengthens, nourishes, and creates the perfect environment for your hair to thrive. If you're looking for a simple, affordable, and natural solution, olive oil is one of the best choices out there. Don't forget to try the methods I shared and let me know your results in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone on their hair growth journey.